What's up guys, it's your girl Lisaint here from Lisaint.com. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever accidentally liked a photo and forgot which photo it was? Like it could be like from an ex or like someone that you're not meant to be liking. Well, I'm going to show you where you can locate all the photos that you've liked and unheart it if you need to. So stay tuned. If you're new here, I would like to welcome you. I make a lot of how-to videos for Instagram, and if you like these types of content, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the new videos that I post up. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the video. Alright guys, let's launch into our Instagram app. And when you hit onto your icon at the bottom, the top there, you see the three lines, tap onto that. And once you've done so, go down to your settings. And once you're in there, you can see a section that says accounts, which is sort of like in the middle. And once you're there at the end of the screen, you can see posts that you've liked. So here are all the posts that I've liked. And say if, for example, this photo here, I've accidentally obviously liked it, I can go ahead and just tap on the heart and it will unlike. So there you go, that's how you view all your liked photos. If you have any other questions for me, please leave it down in the comment section below, but give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on my next video.